coming out. Alright.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get dizzy just watching this video. Oh my god, I'm getting dizzy. Not really.
Where's Kelly?
She was in the bathroom for like 10 minutes. I think she died.
Yay! It's the Kelly I'm thinking about. Yeah.
But don't we still talk to her? So.
Kind of, sort of. She doesn't really talk to me. Please stay seated while the camera is in motion.
Well, the camera's in motion. Oh shit.
Shit, I'm actually gonna fall.
Oh my god, don't fall. You might want to just sit.
This is how we roll. You're probably seen me having sex for 20 feet.
Probably.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Look at how bright the freaking sun is in my face. I'm gonna die. And going. And go. Whoa! And going. You lose your balance on this thing so easy. Okay, I'm turning off the camera.